Can you say hi?
Hi.
What's your name? Can you say Leah?
Yeah.
Can you say Bethany? Bethany?
Bethany.
What do you have? That's fine. Thank you.
Mama.
Can you bring it to me? Can you bring it? Yes. Can you give me my phone? No, my phone.
Wow.
Who are you talking to?
It's here.
Can I have my phone?
No.
Please. Please.
What? Hi. It's the pumpkin.
Who's there? Who's there?
Hi.
Hey, Leah. Leah.
Hi.
Come here. Come here. Hey, can you say bye?
Bye.
Can you look at me? Come here. Come here. You little fart. Come here. Come here, baby.